Kahit anong mangyari, mahal na mahal kita. Sabi ko na nga ba, Barbie?
Barbie!
Akala mo na ako totoo.
Ano boy?
Mahal na mahal mo pala ako ha.
Ang galing ko na ba?
Tanggalin mo na to.
Kakasal na ako!
I love you till the end of my days. So baby, say you love me always, and everything will be okay if you stay. We go together like filet mignon and wine. So fine, so fine. And love has got the power to withstand the test of time. Test of time. You're my ray of sunlight on a cloudy day. I'll love you all of my life if you say you'll stay always. I'll love you till the end of my days. So baby, say you love me always, and everything will be okay if you stay. Forever my, ever my girl, always be my girl. Ever my girl, my girl. Forever my, ever my girl.
We're all traveling through time together every day of our lives. All we can do is do our best to relish this remarkable night. And I love you so much and see you soon, my love.
Oh, we never fall
Alam ko na to.
apart. You walk out the door.
Thank you, makapag-dota na ako. Tsaka magandang taas tokan dito.
You're my cup of coffee when I'm feeling down. I'll give you all of me. So baby, say you love me always, and everything will be okay if you stay. Forever my, ever my girl, you'll always be my girl.
Hi, love. So, I am overwhelmed with gratitude and joy kasi ito na yun. So, looking at you now, I see not only the man I love, but also my best friend. So, my father. Kasi palagi mo akong pinapagalitan. So, my greatest blessing and the person I want to share every moment of my life with.
Kay tagal ko tong hinintay, ilang buwan ko ring sinanay.
Love, ito na yung araw na tinupad ko yung unang-unang pangako ko sa'yo. Kasi alam mo naman nung una tayo nagkakilala, naniligaw ko sa'yo, sinagot mo ako. Then, I promise you, after 5 years, I will marry you no matter what.
At sa wakas, umabuting ka na. Itong
Kahit wala akong, alam nyo na, walang tatay, ay, na lumaki ako na nakatapos and then nakapag-ano ako. Nagawa ko lahat ng gusto kong gawin sa buhay. Thank you, I love you.
sakali at sakali mangako yung pagbigyan.
One thing to describe Ina is siguro unpredictable. Lalo na pagdating sa pagkain. Although alam ko yung paborito niyang pagkain, pero minsan pag nag-isip, saan mo gusto kumain? Ay, hanapin yung restaurant na kahit saan eh.
For 6 years, he was my best friend, yung mga kasama ko sa travel. Tapos kahit mas maikli ang pasensya niya, pero sa akin humaba yung pasensya niya. Tapos very ano yan, very kumbaga parang kahit sa friends niya, mapagbigay niya. Also naman sa akin, same.
Liwanag ganon kasigurado sa tugon mo. Di na pagpapabukas pa.
So who would have thought that our paths which cross years ago would be us to this beautiful day in God's perfect timing. So He brought us back into each other's lives and gave us a love story that I will cherish forever.
Sa may altar, saksing kalangitan, sa kaliat, sa kalimang ako'y ang pagbigyan. Sa iyong tugon, nakasalalay pag-ibig ang panghabang buhay. Sa kalimang hindi umayon ay hindi.
Thank you for accepting every part of me, my strength, my flaws, my fears, and my dreams, even my stubborn moments. You are the person I want to tell all my stories to kahit lagi kang may side comment. You are the first person I want to call when something good happens and the one I want beside me when life becomes difficult. You are my favorite hello and my hardest goodbye.
Sa may altar, saksing kalangitan, sa kaliat, sa kalimang ako yung pagbigyan.
Ito, kasal na tayo. So, another life, another story. Magkakapamilya tayo ng sarili natin. Alam ko may mga bagay na hindi mo kayang iwan pa sa ngayon sa past mo, but we will overcome it little and little hanggang sa maging okay ang lahat.
Ang pangiti sa atin ng araw ay kanyang pagtawag sa atin na maglaro. Iyong kinang lalong lumilitaw.
So I promise to be your partner, your supporter, your encourager, and your safe place. I promise to listen when you need to be heard and to hold your hand when you need strength. I promise to love with you during our happiest days and to remain beside you during the hardest ones.
Dapat pahuway palanay sa dapat pahuway palanay sa unya na diri lang sa ako'y babalik.
Isang pangako itong iiwanan ko sa iyo na huwag kang mag-alala. Kasama mo ako sa hirap at ginhawa hanggang sa huling hininga mo. Nandito ako sa tabi mo, mahal na mahal kita.
Sa piling mo ay kontento. Pwede bang dito muna tayo.
Sa iyo babalik, ikaw ang taglay nating hawak.
Sa iyo uuwi, bayap at puno ng pag-asa.
If I could live my life 1,000 times, I would still choose you in every lifetime. You are my answered prayer and my greatest adventure and the love of my life. I love you.
Hayaan